Hello everyone, my name is Mama Hearts Makeup and welcome to my channel. I swear to God, I think they wait to hear me talk. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm going to be showing you how I achieved this look here using the Soft Glam palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills. You hear them walking? That's their little paws on the wood floors outside. It sounds like they're tap dancing. Stay still. Oh my god, guys. Forget it. Who cares? Let's just go into the video. So obviously I did the one eye thing. I hope that's okay with you guys. I really use that time to really decide what colors I'm going to use, because as I've said it before, it's really true. I don't necessarily think or plan ahead of time the colors that I'm going to use. I might pick the palette that's, you know, of interest to me at the time. Palettes or whatever's in front of me, really. And it just happens to be Soft Glam this time because I finally got it during the recent sale at Sephora and I'm so excited to use it. And for the transition shade, I'm going in with this color here. It's called Rustic. It's a little deep for a transition shade, but I'm not mad at it. And I'm purposely using, like, I would definitely go orange soda or burnt orange usually, that's in this palette, but I have those colors already. So I'm really trying to force myself to use shades I haven't used before. I like the way this eye turned out, so it's all good in the hood. You just decrease the pressure from lower on the lid as you go higher. As you go higher, you just decrease the pressure and it'll just feather itself in. As I said, I do have a lot of these colors already in other palettes or single shadows, so I really wanted to branch out and use other colors, except Tempera or Tempera, whatever. I use this color almost every day as my transition shade, or not my transition shade, my brow bone highlight. I love it. And I'm about to hit pan on this shade in my Modern Renaissance palette, so I was actually very happy that this color was included in this palette as well. And as I alluded to before, it doesn't really bother me that I have repeat shades in this palette, because a lot of the shades that are repeated in this palette are some of my favorite shades anyway. Like now I just don't have to go back and forth between different palettes. They're all in this one and I really, really like it. So I'm going into the outer V and the crease with this shade Mulberry. It's a little deeper than I thought it would be, but again, I'm not mad at it. So right into the outer V and taking into the crease a bit. I'm getting ready to go to the movies in a little bit. I mean, no one's gonna see me in the theater, but on weekends I don't normally wear makeup unless I'm going anywhere to kind of give my skin a break. So I've been waiting to break out this palette. And then just that same brush with no additional product and just kind of blend those in together there. I'm gonna go ahead and hit that lower lash line. This is just a brown kind of eyeshadow stick. I've had this forever. It's by Rimmel, but you can use whatever you have. And I'm going to smoke that out just a little bit. And then using that same brush and that same transition shade Rustic, I'm going to drag that down on the lower lash line. Using the actual brush that comes with the palette, I don't use them too often, but sometimes I do, and they're actually pretty good. I'm going to go with Mulberry on the lower lash line here. Just going to connect those colors. I'm define the crease a little bit with this flat side. One thing about Anastasia eyeshadow shades that I've noticed, they can be powdery. I don't know if you can. On Rustic, a little bit powdery, and then this color that I'm going into, Rose Pink, is a little bit powdery too, but I don't mind it. I feel like that kind of helps with the pigmentation, and as long as your placement is careful, then I haven't run into any problems. I am more than happy to deal with a little bit of fallout for these beautiful colors. So now I'm just taking some concealer and a little flat brush, and I'm going to map out where I'm going to place that. Is it China Rose? Rose Pink. China Rose is another color I have from Anastasia. This rose pink, I had to get up on it because it just looks so beautiful in the palette. I wanted it on my face immediately. Now, I'm just gonna take a little flat brush, press that into the rose pink, and then just place that down on the lid. Nice and easy. And it should stick to that concealer that you just laid down. See, I didn't need much at all on the brush, and it covered the whole lid space. So, okay, for the inner corner, I'm gonna use this new spray that I'm trying by Garnier. It's a soothing facial mist, and I got it for the packaging because it's pink. And I'm gonna spray the brush there pretty liberally. It smells good. And I'm going into this color here, Glistening. Oh, gotta touch it with my nail. Oh, they're so soft and buttery, be careful. Highlight that in the corner there. So pretty. And I am going to use, I guess I could have used the black eyeshadow, but I didn't think about it until afterwards. I'm gonna go ahead and use just a black liner. Flicking it out with just a brush. I'm gonna take a little bit more of the pencil in the area that I want it, and then blend it into a little bit of a wing here. I'm just going to take a Q-tip and just clean that up. I'm going to take a little bit of my Kat Von D powder, it's brightening powder, and just lay that down here. It'll pick up any fallout that there might have been, that I don't really see actually, but it'll also help brighten up this area and prevent any transfer onto the lower lid. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and put some mascara on and the lashes, and then I'll be right back. I love these colors. Oh, I'm gonna use another one of my new purchases. It's not a new product, but it's new to me. I got the Jellybeam highlighter by Farsali. Look at that. That's so cool. Oh god. I'm just gonna dot that on. That's pretty. Not as intense as I thought it would be, but I've been using the Amrezy highlight and that baby is hella intense. So once I kind of pat it in, still very pretty in my opinion. I'm gonna dot just a teeny bit. Where is that brush? On the tip of the nose. And blend that in. There they go again. Cupid's bow. So I'm just actually going to go over that with a little bit of the Amrezy highlighter. Oh, woo, there we go. Now we are talking. And for lips, oh, should have grabbed it ahead of time. I bought my first dose of colors. My first dose of colors, anything actually. There go my husband. It's called On Repeat, but I'm going to use this liner. It's a Wet n Wild liner. It's a gel lip liner in the color Lay Down the Mauves. Is that what I want? Maybe I should do Bear to Comment. Yeah, I think I'm gonna use Bear to Comment better because yeah, it's a nudie color. All right. This lippy, it's so pretty. It's a gloss, but it's super, super pigmented. There we go. Should I zoom in just a little bit? That is pretty much it. Thank you so much for visiting me today. I appreciate it so much. I mean, I really do mean that when I say that. I appreciate you guys visiting me, taking time out of your day. Thank you again. I'll see you in the next video.